How's it going, YouTube? Now we're going to continue our French class, the French series that we're doing, and we're doing A1 complete, and we're following Alicia's course, and so it's going to be a series of, learning French from scratch. So if you're interested in studying with me, stick around because we're going to be learning together. And as of right now, we're going to learn about shopping and going to the shop. Going shopping in French. Words, sentences, how to say the words, how to pronounce the words if you're a newbie like me. So let's go ahead and start it right now.
Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à French with Alicia. Today we'll talk about shops.
Shopping.
Shops in the city.
Shopping in the city.
Like the main shops and what they sell and what you can find in them and all this. If you ever go shopping in a French city, you need to know a couple of things. I'm pretty sure most of you know La Boulangerie.
La Boulangerie. I have no idea what this was. La Boulangerie. The bakery.
La Boulangerie.
La Boulangerie.
So that's the bakery.
La Boulangerie.
À la boulangerie.
À la boulangerie.
J'achète une baguette.
J'achète une baguette.
Acheter, to buy. À la boulangerie, j'achète
À la boulangerie.
une
God
baguette.
damn it, bro.
But you might not know la boucherie.
La boucherie. The butcher shop. La boucherie.
That's the butcher. La boucherie.
The butcher.
Boucherie.
Yo, I don't even know what butcher is in English. Bro, come on, man. And don't judge me, okay? Because that's not my native language. And it is what it is. I don't know everything. So please let me know down below what it's the butcher's shop. I don't even know what this is. Oh man, my phone's charging right now, so I'm probably not gonna be able to look it up. But yeah, let's continue.
And that's where you would buy la viande.
La viande, the meat.
That means meat.
The meat.
La viande.
La viande, the meat.
À la boulangerie,
À la boulangerie.
j'achète une baguette et à la boucherie, j'achète la viande.
She speaks too fast.
Une baguette et
J'achète une baguette.
à la boucherie,
Et la boucherie.
j'achète la viande.
J'achète la viande. La viande. La viande. I buy a baguette at the bakery and I buy meat at the butcher shop or butcher shop. Butcher shop. I don't even know. Come on, Sam. Why am I trying to learn a language if I cannot even speak English, bro?
Supermarché.
God damn. Le supermarché.
Supermarket.
Supermarché.
Le supermarché.
Le supermarché. Le supermarché.
Supermarket.
Good.
Au supermarché,
Au supermarché.
fixed expression, je fais les courses.
Je fais les courses.
Always in plural. Je fais les courses.
Je fais les
If you
courses.
put it in singular, je fais la course,
Je fais la course.
it means that you're running a race. Je fais la course.
Je fais la course. Je fais la course. I'm running a race.
Je fais les courses.
Je fais les courses.
And I know immediately that you're referring to the supermarket and that you're buying food. La boulangerie,
La boulangerie.
la boucherie,
La boucherie.
le supermarché,
Le supermarché.
le pain,
Le pain.
bread, la viande,
La viande.
meat. Faire les courses. Fixed
Faire les courses.
expression. Remember that one. To go shopping for food. La banque.
La banque.
The bank. La banque.
La banque.
Le cinéma.
Le cinéma. Le cinéma.
Very easy.
Yeah, this one's easy.
Just pronounce it in your most French way. La banque.
La banque.
Le cinéma.
Le cinéma.
La bibliothèque.
La bibliothèque. La
Be careful with
bibliothèque.
this one. La bibliothèque. The library.
The library.
La librairie.
La librairie. La librairie. La librairie.
The bookshop. La bibliothèque.
La bibliothèque.
The library. La librairie. False friend.
Ah, okay. Library and bookshop. Similar but not the same.
The bookshop.
La librairie.
Important,
La librairie.
La pharmacie.
La pharmacie. La pharmacie.
À la pharmacie,
À la pharmacie,
j'achète
j'achète
des médicaments.
des médicaments.
Médecine. Médicaments.
Médicaments.
À la pharmacie, j'achète
À la pharmacie, j'achète
des médicaments.
des médicaments. Des
If
médicaments.
I'm ill, si je suis
Si je suis
malade,
malade,
je vais
Je
à
vais.
l'hôpital.
à l'hôpital. Je vais à l'hôpital. Je suis
Hospital, just remember that there is no S. You don't say hospital.
Hospital.
That's why we have
hospital.
this accent, l'accent circonflexe, this stress, sorry. That means that throughout time we lost an S that used to be there. Hospital, hôpital.
Hôpital. Okay.
No S and accent circonflexe.
Action circonflexe.
La salle de sport.
La salle de
The gym.
sport. La
La
salle de
salle de sport.
La salle de sport. La salle de
La
sport.
salle means the room et de sport where you do sport. La salle de sport.
La salle de sport.
Sur la boulangerie.
La boulangerie. La boulangerie.
La boucherie.
La boulangerie.
Le supermarché.
Le supermarché.
La pharmacie.
La pharmacie.
La librairie.
La librairie. La librairie.
La bibliothèque.
La bibliothèque.
Le cinéma.
Le cinéma.
L'hôpital without
L'hôpital.
S.
Hmm.
Very important. La gare. The train station. La gare.
La gare. La gare. The train station. Hmm.
La salle de sport.
La salle de sport. La
La
salle de...
banque.
La banque.
La piscine, the swimming pool.
La piscine. La
La
piscine.
piscine.
La piscine.
Je vais à la piscine
Je vais à la piscine
pour nager.
pour
New
nager.
verb, but it's an ER verb, first group, regular. Nager.
Nager.
Je vais à la piscine pour nager.
Je vais à la piscine pour nager.
One last. L'école.
L'école.
The school.
L'école. Oh, there's no S there.
L'école. Je vais à l'école
Je vais à
pour
l'école
étudier.
pour l'étudier.
Je vais à l'école pour étudier.
Pour étudier. Je vais à l'école pour l'étudier.
Non, one last now. La poste.
La poste.
La poste.
La poste.
Post office. La poste.
La poste.
Je vais à la poste
Je vais à la
pour
poste
envoyer
pour envoyer.
une lettre. To
Envoyer.
send a
Envoyer.
letter. Je vais à la poste
Je vais à la poste
pour envoyer
pour envoyer. Envoyer
une lettre. To
une lettre.
send a letter.
Une lettre.
Je vais à la poste
Je vais à la poste
pour envoyer
pour envoyer
une lettre.
une lettre. Wow.
With this, I think you have most of the main shops, infrastructures, and things you might look for, find, or wonder how to say it if you are in a French city for the first time.
Let's say I'm in Paris for the first time.
I think that's more or less what you would need. I told you the supermarché, obviously. If you're
Supermarché.
talking about the market outdoors, you would say le marché.
Le
So
marché.
le marché, le supermarché,
Le
which is
supermarché.
indoors, la pharmacie, la
La,
boulangerie,
la pharmacie. La boulangerie. La boulangerie.
la boucherie,
La
le
boucherie.
fast food.
Le fast food. Okay, that's easy.
Okay, but that's just like in English, le
That's-
fast food.
yeah, that's pretty much the same.
L'école,
L'école.
la banque,
La banque.
le cinéma. I
Le
think-
cinéma.
Le musée, le musée.
Le musée. Le musée. Le musée. The museum.
Le musée.
Le
That
musée.
would be another thing that you might look for like in a city. Où est
Rosetta Stone.
le musée? And the train station, la gare.
What the fuck?
In a city. Où est le musée?
I don't know. It just reminded me of Rosetta Stone.
And the train station, la gare.
La gare. La gare.
L'hôpital.
La gare. L'hôpital. 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 Okay, so if
think-
I need to go to the hospital, at least I know how to say l'hôpital. 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 Hey, l'hôpital. Yo, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching this class with me. If you do enjoy this type of content, please let me know. And please stay tuned because we're going to be watching many videos in French because we're learning absolutely from scratch Okay, all the languages, French, German. We might come across other languages as well, because I'm trying to learn many languages. So if you're interested in becoming a language genius or something like this, or I don't know if I'm down for the challenge and if I will ever be good at these languages. But if you want to learn more languages and study with me, so you feel a little maybe not that alone or whatever, just stick around. Okay, you're gonna be helping me a lot as well. And also, if you do enjoy the content, please subscribe, hit the like button. I'm also gonna be putting my socials down below if you want to talk to me a little bit more in depth about something, or if you have any suggestions. Okay, there's my Instagram, my main YouTube channel, and other things as well. And yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions, any criticism to say, anything that you'd like to discuss, any questions, let me know, and I'll be very happy to answer you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. See you around. Let's learn French.